My name is Karen Chapdelaine. I'm a 68-year-old healthy female, and I was dealing with an arthritic hip that was so bad that my leg was actually frozen, and I was totally immobile and unable to walk across a room without holding on or hobbling, and decided after going through the orthopedic process, the application process, I got a tip from a neighbor to try stem cell treatment, and I came and went through the consultation process and was totally hooked on this is an option for me. And in 5 months I am walking, I'm playing golf, I'm back to living the life that I had before 2 years of dealing with a bad hip, and it's changed my life. This has really been a fabulous option for me, and I would recommend it to anybody.